Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Peach Melba pies made in the Kmart sausage roll maker. I'm making these two ways. One you can have hot and one you can have cold, and that will suit both our winter and our summer viewers. Only a few ingredients. We have got our puffed pastry and just let that fall in. Okay, take off our plastic. We're going to pop it into our sausage roll maker. We'll put raspberry jam, as much as you like, just scoop that across like so. This is normally served with raspberry sauce. Okay, 1 teaspoon per pie of your raspberry sauce. Now I've got fresh peaches here. Okay, just smear that around right to the edges. Now because one of these is going to be served with cream when it's cold and the other one is going to be served with ice cream whilst it's hot, I'm going to show you a suggestion that was sent to me by Zendukai. He wants to know if I put a piece of baking paper in between these two pies when I fold over, will it still rise properly? So this is going to be our experiment for our ones that need to be served cold, and this is going to have our cooked peaches basically in it for our scoop of homemade vanilla ice cream. So we're going to put one of those over there like so. When we fold that over, once it's cooked, it won't be stuck to itself. So, and we're going to put fresh peaches in that one. So I'm not going to peel it. What's the point? You know what's in it. We want this to sit flat. So this is basically going to be cooked jam at this stage. Fold this over, turn it on. When this comes down, it's going to scissor and cut those into 4 neat little pies. These ones over here, remember where they are, don't have anything in them. These ones here, these ones are going to be filled with the fresh peaches once the pie is cooked. We're just going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's nice and puffed and golden. Let's see what we've got here. Not too bad, a little bit longer. Okay, we're going to fetch these out now. They're nice and puffed and golden. These ones here have the peach in them. Just take them out. A little bit of a boil over because the peaches are so juicy. And we're just going to turn the pie maker off and separate them. Okay, this is our hot one now. We've just separated it, popping it into a little sundae dish with a scoop of our homemade vanilla ice cream. Look how lovely and creamy that is. 2, shall we? Nice and hot still. A bit of cream as well. And a little blob of raspberry with a little slice of peach. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's hot peach melba pie made in the Kmart sausage roll maker, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. Serrated knife, because it always cuts more easily with a serrated knife. And look at that peachy raspberry sticky goodness in a lovely crispy puffed shell. Thanks for watching. Have a taste, shall we? It's so hot. Don't use tin peaches. This is magnificent. I'm serving this with a lovely banana smoothie. A little grated nutmeg over the top and some raspberry jam. And there you have it. Yummo. Banana and honey. Thanks for watching. Okay, so Nicole, let's see how our plan worked. Our paper has kept it all separate, as you can see. We're just going to cut it in half now. Pop our pieces of fresh peaches in with our jam, leaving some peeking out the side. Now that's quite cool now. Give it a squirt of our cream. Pop our lid back on. Give the whole thing a dust of icing sugar. And that is ready to serve. Another little blob of cream, a little bit of raspberry jam on the top of it, and you've got yourself a little butterfly. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's chilled Peach Melba. I hope you enjoyed these little cooking demonstrations of a summer and winter version of the Peach Melba. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Have a little taste of our chilled one, shall we? I'm going to cut it in half so you can see what it looks like inside. The paper trick worked perfectly. Thank you, Zendukai. And there's our chilled one. These peaches are quite tart. The cream's unsweetened and the jam is tangy as well. This is absolutely divine. Thanks for watching.